Welcome to Pratibha Tutorials. Please take a moment and subscribe to our channel. Thank you.
Dear students, in this video we will discuss some problems based on Euclid's division lemma. Show that the square of any positive integer is of the form 3m or 3m plus 1 for some integer m. Let a be any positive integer and b is equal to 3. Then according to Euclid's division lemma, there exist a is equal to 3 times of q plus r, where r greater than equal to 0 but less than 3. Thus r may have 0, 1 or 2 values. Therefore a is equal to 3 types of q plus 0, or a is equal to 3 q plus 1 remainder taken as 1, or a is equal to 3 q plus 2. Now we have to prove that square of these numbers may take the form 3m or 3m plus 1. We consider a is equal to thrice of q. If a is equal to 3 times of q, taking a square on both sides implies a square is equal to 9q square, which further implies a square is equal to 3 multiplied by 3 times of q square, or that is equal to 3 times of m, where m is equal to 3 times of q square. So square of the positive integer may be of the form 3m. Now we consider a is equal to 3q plus 1, and squaring both sides we get 3q plus 1 whole square, which further implies a square is equal to 9q square plus 6q plus 1. Now taking 3 as a common factor from the first two terms, 3, this is thrice of q square plus 2 times of q plus 1, and that is 3 times of m plus 1. Where m is equal to 3 q square plus twice of q. So square of any positive integer may be of the form 3m plus 1. Now again, if a is equal to 3q plus 2, taking square on both sides. A square is equal to 3q plus 2 whole square, which further implies a square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 4, using a plus b whole square identity, which further implies a square is equal to 9q square plus 12q plus 3 plus 1. We split 4 into 3 and 1. It further implies a square is equal to, taking 3 common factor from the first 3 terms, 3, this is 3 times of q square plus 4 times of q plus 1, and this 1 is copied as it is, or a square is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to 3q square plus 4q plus 1. So if we take a is equal to 3q plus 2, finally we get a square is equal to 3m plus 1, where m is equal to this bracketed term, and thus we can say a square of any positive integer may be of the form either 3m or 3m plus 1, 3m plus 1. Hence proved. In the next question, show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, where n is an odd positive integer. Now in this question, we have to show that n square minus 1 is divisible by 8, where n is an odd positive integer. We know that any odd positive integer may be of the form 4q plus 1 and 4q plus 3. This 4q and 4q plus 2 are even integers. Now if n is equal to 4q plus 1, then n square minus 1 is equal to 4q plus 1 whole square minus 1, replacing this n by 4q plus 1. This is 16q square plus 8 times of q plus 1 minus 1, and that is 16q square plus 8 times of q, which further implies, taking 8 common, this is 8 times of 2q square plus q, and thus we can say n square minus 1 is, so n square minus 1 is divisible by 8. Now we consider n is equal to 4q plus 3. If n is equal to 4q plus 3, n square minus 1 is equal to 4q plus 3 whole square minus 1, which further implies n square minus 1 is equal to 16 q square plus 24q plus 9 minus 1. This is a square plus 2 times of a into b plus b square. Minus 1 as it is copied, and this is 16 q square plus 24q plus 8, or taking 8 as a common factor, we get twice of q square plus thrice of q plus 1. N squared minus 1 is equal to 8 times of this. Therefore, n square minus 1 divisible by 8.